Alright guys, this is Kiba.
And this is Duncan, and welcome back to part two. This is a re-recording of part two because we don't know how to mix audio.
Yeah, we're still working on figuring everything out for the levels and to make the game work right. So the part 2 we had recorded already just ended up being trash. So we decided to go back in and re-record it. We totally didn't delete a save or anything and have to restart from this part anyway.
Well, we also listened to the people that watched the video so far as feedback, and a lot of people were saying that it sounded too quiet, so it sounds like we have figured that out. We'll just have to wait and see, though.
Yeah, we tweaked with the audio for about an hour before we tried to record this, and we think we got everything nailed down, or at least pretty close to where it needs to be. But we'll see when we put this one out, because we're not re-recording this one again.
Yeah, and this is there's gonna be a little bit of retracing our steps since we've already played this. So some things aren't going to be where they typically are if you're playing this game. But I'm sure that you guys will be able to figure it out if you're playing along.
I don't think anybody will be playing and watching our gameplay and thinking, well, they did this and I did that totally different, you know? Yeah. So I think we'll be okay on that stuff.
I'm gonna just retouch all the idols because I did not have this one. I thought I did.
So yeah, we're gonna catch all the idols that we've missed, or the ones we've gotten already. We'll touch them again just so it shows them in the video. Not that we're making a guide or anything, but it's still good to know where they are. Get it. I wonder if there was one guy that just did all the plants, or if there was multiple people that worked on those little yellow plants. Because they all look different, but I'm pretty sure they're the same.
I'm not sure. I'm sure they have a lot of credits.
I honestly don't even remember much about the development period for this game. I didn't see a whole lot about it until like now. I mean, you were really the person that was like, hey, you need to check out this game. It's something you'd like.
I didn't really follow it. I just kind of got into it whenever the whole Tenchu rumors were about, because everyone was like, oh, it's going to be a Tenchu game because From Software made Tenchu Z.
Nope. We got another Souls-like game, which, don't get me wrong, I'm a fan of. Souls-like is probably my favorite genre of game right now, just because horror is kind of getting stale. Seeing a lot of the same stuff in it. I mean, not that the stuff that we're seeing isn't good, I want to play something different.
I haven't really seen anything that I'm crazy about recently, horror-wise.
Yeah, there's that Phasmophobia game that's going on right now that every YouTuber I've seen seems to be pretty into, but it's not my style. It's more like a Slender style game, and I like things that are a little more interactive, you know? More. Like, not that the gameplay for that stuff isn't very intensive, I just kind of suck at them all.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, I just don't get invested in it. I like horror action like Party, which we will eventually be doing some Resident Evil playthroughs.
Yes, we will. Honestly, if we can, I would like to do all the games, but that's, what, 18 games? It's a lot of stuff to play.
I think it'd be sick.
We'd probably be the only people out there that have done them all, aside from, of course, the PS ports and the Game Boy Color and 2 or 3 phone ports.
We can emulate them.
Yeah.
And we get a lot of hate on YouTube.
For real. Not that I honestly want to emulate the Game Boy version of Resident Evil 1, because it was fucking tough. It was like basically a choice-by-choice Game Boy game that was just not suited for the RE playstyle.
It'd be fun too, especially if no one else has.
Yeah, we could always do the Resident Evil Gaiden games, because nobody's played them.
I've never even heard of those, to be honest.
And I'm sure me saying that, there's going to be like 8 people that send me links of other people playing the games, but I haven't seen a whole lot of playthroughs, but there's Resident Evil Gaiden too. They were fantastic. I think there's 2.
Are those like Gaiden Warrior?
Or? No, it's hard to describe them. I'll have to pull up just like one of the pictures from the art and show you. But honestly, they were weird.
See, like I've said before,
it's like a Game Boy game that was like...
Oh, okay, so it's kind of like Castlevania type.
It's pretty similar to Castlevania in terms of gameplay. It's almost like kind kind of like Breath of Fire, the original one, the Game Boy game.
I never played Breath of Fire.
Yeah, I didn't expect you to.
It's not my style.
Yeah, our older brother Tyler played a ton of those Game Boy games and got me into a lot of them when I was younger. Oh, here comes that fucking rooster. Fuck this guy. Get out of here. Yeah, bitch. I feel like I dislike them more every time I see them. And
nothing from you a second.
no, they don't drop shit for you, dude. They're terrible. No reward.
I know that there's another wolf down here.
I think there's two. I think they're on the other side of that wall over there.
I'd already gotten one. That's cool.
What are you running away for, dude? I guess that might be a good reason to run away.
Just to be 110% honest, I don't use half of the stuff I pick up. I just pick it up anyways, though.
I like to use some of it when I get stuck on bosses and stuff. I'll just throw random shit at them and try to see if it works.
Yeah, well, see, one of the things, we really wanted to play this game because neither of us really beat the game. But one of my best friends, Tristan, watches speedrunners play it. And watching him play this game, I was like, holy, like watching a speedrunner play this game, holy shit. They use so much stuff.
Never thought of it. Yeah, like all the sugars. They use literally all of them. I like the Genshin sugars. I've used a couple of them in boss encounters, and they actually work pretty well. I just never remember that I have them. So I go into bosses, I die 6 times, and on the 6th or 7th time, I'm like, oh fuck, I have a heightened stance or something like that that I can use.
I forgot that whenever you rest, the wolves come back, and I was like, why are the wolves here?
Well, you just did it again.
Well, yeah, I could wait.
Forgot the wolves would come back. Yeah, I feel you, man. I think this is mini boss numero uno again.
Yes.
He should be easy this time since we've killed him like 3 times already. And the footage is back. Ooh, get him. Get him. Knock him over. Yeah.
Oh no. I was like, is he stuck? Nope, he is not stuck.
He was waiting for you, bro. That's some whack stuff. Get him. Oh, never mind, bro. You got him. You got him. You got him. Fuck him up. Oh, don't. Never mind. Never mind. Don't do it. It's a good place to box him in, though. It doesn't seem like he's doing too much.
Yeah, it's not very good for YouTube video, though. I did not mean to like
block all the footage.
Yeah.
So they don't give a fuck. If people wanted to watch other people be good at Sekiro, they would have gone and found a video where people were obviously going to do that. And they're watching us instead.
Are you all lucky?
Like, I love you, Duncan, but if I wanted to watch somebody be good at Sekiro, you're the last person I would go to.
Damn.
I don't think I know anybody who I would consider to be good at Sekiro. They know.
I know.
Fuck! The dude with the gun. I love that guy. He does nothing to help, just shoots from a distance and hope he hits you. So... Haha! You thought... Oh, there's more of them. And there's an ogre guy down there too, so keep an eye out for him. No, he's a terrible shot, don't worry. Boom. Now you're all over the floor. Let's go back up here and restart this. Hey. fuck that dude in particular. That guy wearing the poncho. I hate him. Our ogre pal is just hanging by that tree there. So he doesn't live to the Oh, not today, sir. You know, hop down on top of him. Somebody's staring at you. What are you doing, bro? He's up there. My man is a fool. This guy too. Oh my goodness. What even? Bro, how did you get hired? How did you get hired? You were the fucking... Fuck.
Pro strats.
Yeah, and fuck that dude. That's the guy. Get him. Oh! Yeah, he thought he was gonna get you with that FPS quick turn, huh?
So this is a walkthrough of what not to do.
Bro, I feel like you just murked those guys. That's what to do. Just get them around a tree and go in a circle.
I don't think that there's anything
No.
back here, but it doesn't hurt to double check.
He has such good balance to be able to walk on all these weird ass hills like it's nothing. Granted, this is a video game, but in theory, in real life, my guy would have great balance. It's that guy with the rifle again. So do we want to take this bell and then try to speedrun through that memory and become super OP so we can get through the rest of the game easier?
Well, you're supposed to do it.
Oh, you are? Oh.
That's why they talk about the fire. Like how...
I like how you're just in here making a bunch of fucking racket. Just luring them in. I hate that kickback. Yeah. You've yeed your last paw. And the blind dude's over there, and the bell's up
I still
there.
got two.
Oh, yeah. And there's something hidden over here, isn't there? We're gonna find out.
I think we're gonna be our walkthrough for this.
Yeah, well, see, I have to talk. And looking all that up and talking, hey, but I was right.
I'm pretty sure you knew that because I did it last time.
I still knew it. It's not important how you obtain the information, but the fact that you have it.
I don't know that I agree with that.
So there's 3 guys here. The other 2 are gonna see you. Yeah, but you can just run up here and hop. Or you can face them to heaven. What the fuck is that?
I never just sat
Where
there.
is that?
I always kill him. I never like have
Let him
let
hit
him
you?
shoot me.
Holy shit, dude. That's obnoxious.
We're running the fuck out of here.
Fuck. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're not about all
You wanna go grab that bell before you go?
that. I'm gonna heal up and then. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that.
Yeah, because if you grab the bell, then we can go back to the temple, upgrade. Or not upgrade, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Man, I'm so glad you don't take fall damage, because I was cringing because I thought that was going to kill you. Story things that we're not going to slow down for, but you guys can read on your own later.
Yeah, you know how to pause a game.
Yeah, everybody does it all the time. Our analytics tell us. Yeah, we know.
I am not your son.
I'm just going to leave this old woman on for a little while. Well, you gotta get him. You gotta. Bitch. I don't know if now is the time for the ogre.
Oh no, I just don't. I don't feel comfortable.
You don't feel comfortable leaving them alive?
Yeah, this is the dude that shot me.
Yeah, this fucking
I've never
shit.
like I've always come up and snuck up and killed him before he like got
I bet a lot of people get murked their first playthrough by that guy.
Oh, I'm sure. So I always come down and do it like this. And then lead them on. Hold on. See what's there.
Looks like homeboy down there is taking a pee. Nope. Oh. His dick is indeed put away. This game is so pretty. I constantly just look out at stuff and I'm like, man, this would be cool to see in real life.
This would be very dangerous in real life. Wait, is it okay? Yes, just light.
It would be dangerous, but it would be cool. Oh, and if you look to your left, there's some snake skin that a giant snake shed. Spoiler.
What? There's a giant snake.
No. Yeah, there's a giant snake. And he sheds all over the fucking place. You're gonna steal his eyes. By steal, I mean like cut, not take. You're just gonna fucking destroy him.
I don't know that I've ever been over here. This is the first time.
Really? I came here at the beginning of my playthrough. This is an early way to get to the guys where you fight the snake and more of that big mummy looking dude with the cannon, you know?
Oh. So I
That-
don't want to come this way?
I would not go this way. I mean, you can. Nobody's gonna stop you. That's so smooth. That game mechanic is so nice. Oh, we're at the ogre.
I was just checking on our time.
We are at 2052.
I think we should kill this and
Kill this or upgrade and then we'll wrap this episode. But don't worry, guys. We'll be back in a week with another episode that we actually recorded 15 seconds after we finished this one.
we'll see.
へえなよしそのそれ
Okay,
が
this
ぜ
guy
そこ
and
それ
get
それ
all his
どうだ
dialogue.
Take this shit.
足開けどその段足今もねえお題ぜ OK 火の足開けボケな
Flame barrel schematic. Or memo, my bad. This isn't, you know, a 21st century based game.
I'm just clicking on all this that way it's been clicked. I don't know. Can I go?
You gotta crouch.
I have to crouch.
Well, yeah, it's a crouch level hole.
Oh god.
Get the fuck
Is
out
that
of here,
me?
bro.
I don't fucking know.
Let's discover this Buddha thing. Buddha idol. Alright, and we're gonna travel back to the dilapidated temple. I cannot remember the names of places today. Once we get there, we're gonna cut this episode.
What? No, let's go ahead and get everything.
You wanna upgrade it in this episode?
Yeah,
Alright,
we
we're gonna
gotta get the
upgrade.
We gotta get this.
誠に
Gordon.
15年
It's good
進
to
みながら
exhaust
そ
her
う
dialogue as
死んで
well.
安息す
And you have to die to do that a couple times, but
はい、傷この
I'm sure we
ひょ
will not
はい
run
や
into
あ
that
ら手に
issue.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll have more than enough deaths by the end of the game to get all the
種は
dialogue.
これ妙こうそれひょや
Every time you see her, you want to talk to her.
一つ
のの
なあるあぶ白いなある下あなへ
I don't know
海
what else
鮮
she
流海
says,
ま
but
海海鮮流海
she has
ま
said
海
it.
おや
ああほと
I don't know what all she says, but she has said it.
Yes.
Yeah.
な
Let's upgrade some shit.
これをしさまだだ手に入れたにしに形からず
So, sorry. I'm like listening to this weird cut off audio from skipping through it, and it's kind of mesmerizing.
Ooh, ah.
Yeah. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I could go to sleep to that.
Probably good. Alright.
So we've upgraded that with the shuriken, and I
So now
think
we have Shuriken, which would be
X.
those are really good for killing crayfish.
Yeah, they are. They're also really good when you fight the butterfly lady.
Alright, well, in next episode we will go and fight an ogre or go back in time.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Bye, guys.
Perpetrators in my lobby like they love me. Hell with the I don't want to talk to people.